Revision. The first step to do once we receive a revision is to create the revision within the Attachment tool. Once the tool is open, select the Addendum tab and the Create button. Enter the revision name in the box provided and click OK. The next step is to actually attach the revision to the affected members. Within the Addendum window, we select the revision that we want to use, and then within the model, select the members to which we're attaching it. Once done, select the Attach button. A window will open asking the user to archive the drawings, of course if required. Once the revision is created and attached to members, the members will turn pink within the model. An automatic status is created within the Management module under Revision, and it will be named the current revision. Once this status display is opened and used, any member within this revision will be brown, and any member not having the current revision will be in pink. Within the Drawing Control tool, any member that is attached to a revision will be highlighted in pink. At this point, I must archive the drawings within this revision. I can simply select the items in the list, select the Archive button, move to the current revision. What this will do will remove the member complete from these items. In the example shown, the revision is to move one of the channel members to make the opening larger. At this point, I would select the member and run the Update System tool. Within the Revision Update tab, there's options to simply add the reason for this revision. I can select the revision, and in this case, it's just a relocation of the channel member. The user can also add text to the Your Change note, perhaps explaining more in depth the actual change that's being done. Select the Append to add the note or to append it to an existing note. By selecting Overwrite, the user will overwrite any revision notes currently on the member. At this point, the member itself has to be updated. In this case, the location of the member. Nothing else is changed, so that is the item that needs to be modified. So therefore, we will only remove the pre-check for the location. And now for the two supporting members. These members, the only difference will be a change in the main material due to the connection moving. We will now rerun the Update System tool on the two supporting members. Select the revision, what's been modified, and of course any notation that I wish to put. In this case, due to the connection of the supported beam being moved, the whole placement within the main materials actually being moved. Alternately, we can also use the Multiple Update option to back up the members to a certain point within their check. Once the materials are revised, we must attach the revision to the affected material to let the checker know which items to check. This can be done through the Update System window by selecting Revise All Material or selecting Revise Selected Material. Alternately, we can use the Model Check option, select the material, and then of course use the Revised option. Don't forget that it's not necessary to close the Model Check window nor the Update Status window to select your materials and update. Once the revision and status information has been written to the member and materials, we can begin our actual changes within the model. Once our changes have been done in the model, we can begin our checking process. Once the member has been released to check, any material in white are the revised materials that need to be rechecked. However, anything still in yellow is unaffected material. Once the member is finished as far as the revision goes, we can select the Finalize option. This will finalize all material on that member that has been revised. The members that are finalized will turn burgundy when using the system-created revision status display. However, if you select the default one, the color used will be brown, indicating the member has been finalized. A report is available that will list members affected by the revision, as well as any updates that have been done to the individual pieces of materials and members. This information is based upon using the Update System tools. The report is accessible through the icon Revision Report or through the Update System itself.